If you've ever been stuck with a flat tire or hate dragging out bulky air pumps, this one's for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews real and straight to the point. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Xiaomi Portable Electric Air Compressor. 2. A compact inflator that punches above its weight class for users who need reliable inflation without premium pricing. If you're looking for basic inflation capability without complex features, this unit deserves your attention for its straightforward operation and dependable performance that handles everyday inflation needs effectively. With its portable design and digital pressure display, this inflator delivers adequate inflation speed for car tires, bike tires, and sports equipment. The preset modes make operation simple by automatically stopping at your target pressure, while the built-in battery provides cordless convenience for roadside emergencies without needing external power sources. What sets it apart is the compact size that fits easily in your glove box or trunk without taking up significant space. The LED light helps during nighttime inflation, while the multiple nozzle attachments handle different valve types from cars to basketballs without requiring additional accessories. The build quality feels adequate for the price point, with reliable construction that handles regular use without major issues. The inflator charges via USB-C for convenient recharging, and the overall operation is beginner-friendly, with clear controls that get you inflating quickly. Where it shines: compact portable size, affordable pricing, preset pressure modes, and USB-C charging that works with common chargers you already own. Where it falls short: slower inflation speed compared to premium models, and the battery capacity limits how many tires you can inflate on a single charge. Who's it for? It's perfect for emergency backup, occasional users, or anyone who wants basic inflation capability with portable convenience, all without premium pricing or complicated operation. Bottom line, the Xiaomi Portable Electric Air Compressor 2 strikes a solid balance between portability, basic features, and affordability. If you want compact inflation capability with simple operation and good value, this inflator is a smart emergency backup choice. Number 4. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator. A refined, feature-rich inflator that blends proven performance with smart technology. Perfect for users who need fast inflation with modern convenience features. This isn't just another portable inflator, it's a thoughtful upgrade that delivers enhanced speed and better user experience for regular tire maintenance. Thanks to the powerful motor and efficient air delivery system, you get noticeably faster inflation that handles car tires in just minutes, rather than waiting forever. Whether you're inflating low tires or topping off pressure for better fuel economy, this inflator provides quick results that save time during routine maintenance. The inflator's digital display provides clear pressure readings with smart auto shutoff that prevents overinflation, while the rechargeable battery provides enough power for multiple tire inflations without recharging. The compact design changes the game when it comes to storage, fitting easily in your trunk without taking up valuable cargo space. What really sets this generation apart is the refined balance of speed and portability that doesn't sacrifice inflation performance for size reduction. The inflator provides professional-level inflation speed while maintaining convenient cordless operation, making it perfect for users who want both performance and portability. Build quality feels dependable throughout, with quality materials and construction. The inflator includes multiple nozzle adapters for different applications, and the overall design prioritizes both functionality and ease of use for various inflation tasks. Who's it for? It's perfect for regular maintenance users, multiple vehicle owners, or anyone needing fast inflation with portable convenience and reliable rechargeable operation for frequent use. Bottom line, the Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator isn't just fast, it's refined, portable, and feature-rich enough to satisfy users who need quick inflation with modern convenience. If you want speed with portability, this one checks all the boxes. Number 3. Avid Power D18 Cordless Tire Inflator. An innovative cordless inflator built for users who want maximum portability without sacrificing inflation power. If you're tired of inflators that need wall power or car outlets, this one changes the game. With its true cordless operation and powerful performance, it's designed to deliver reliable inflation anywhere you need it. What sets it apart is the powerful cordless design that provides genuine inflation capability without being tethered to power sources, giving you complete freedom to inflate tires anywhere from your driveway to remote camping locations. You get excellent portability with reliable performance that handles various inflation needs, while the LED work light illuminates your workspace during nighttime emergencies. The build quality is solid and dependable. The digital pressure gauge provides accurate readings, while the auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation by stopping automatically at your preset pressure. You'll find the inflator excels at both emergency use and regular maintenance, with remarkable convenience for users who value true portability. One of the standout features is how the inflator balances cordless freedom with practical inflation speed that gets the job done without excessive waiting. The rechargeable battery system provides enough power for multiple inflations, while the compact design makes storage and transport effortless in any vehicle. The quality construction extends to the user experience and reliability, with practical features that make operations straightforward. The inflator also includes various nozzle attachments and reasonable warranty coverage that protects your investment. Who's it for? This inflator is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, remote travelers, or anyone who wants true cordless inflation with reliable performance and complete portability for diverse inflation applications. Bottom line, the Avid Power D 18 Cordless Tire Inflator isn't just another portable unit, it's a genuine cordless solution built for users who need freedom from power outlets. If you want true portability with reliable inflation, this model absolutely deserves its spot in the top 3. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest tire inflator reviews are coming your way. And no need to dig around, I've dropped all the links you need right there in the description. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Inflator, a smart and professional-grade inflator that's taken a big step forward in power and versatility. What sets the M18 Inflator apart from the rest is its excellent balance of professional capability and tool ecosystem integration, giving you serious inflation power that basic portable inflators simply can't match for demanding applications. Unlike consumer inflators that struggle with larger tires or professional models that require external power, Milwaukee's M18 delivers impressive inflation speed with the proven M18 battery system that many users already own for their power tools. The inflator rewards users with professional performance while integrating seamlessly into existing Milwaukee tool collections. One of the standout features is the high-pressure capability that handles everything from car tires to truck tires and even inflatable equipment with ease and speed. The unit feels professionally engineered, giving you confidence that inflation tasks will be completed quickly regardless of tire size or pressure requirements. The M18 Inflator also includes proven Milwaukee reliability with professional-grade construction that provides excellent durability across demanding work scenarios. You get accurate digital pressure gauge with auto shutoff functionality, while the bright LED light illuminates work areas during any lighting condition. Build quality stays consistently high with Milwaukee's refined engineering and professional-grade materials. The inflator includes convenient onboard hose storage and universal valve compatibility, while the overall package feels truly capable of handling whatever inflation challenges professional and serious DIY users encounter. Who's it for? It's perfect for professional contractors, serious DIYers, or anyone who wants professional-grade inflation with M18 battery compatibility and reliable operation for demanding inflation applications. Bottom line, the Milwaukee M18 Inflator redefines what a professional inflator can deliver. With serious power, tool ecosystem integration, and Milwaukee reliability, it's easily one of the most capable options for professional-level inflation work. And finally, my number 1 pick, NOCO Boost Air AX65, a next-generation inflator that combines proven reliability, cutting-edge features, and top-tier build quality into one complete emergency preparedness package. Whether you need roadside inflation, have multiple vehicles, or simply want the best portable inflator available, this model delivers professional quality performance, with exceptional versatility and comprehensive capability. What sets the NOCO Boost Air AX65 apart is its incredible dual functionality that combines a powerful tire inflator with a jump starter, providing complete roadside emergency capability in one compact device. Unlike single-purpose inflators, the AX65 provides consistently excellent inflation performance, plus the peace of mind that comes with battery jump-starting capability for true emergency preparedness. Smart engineering is built right in. The inflator's advanced motor technology handles inflation tasks smoothly and quickly, while the comprehensive digital display provides clear pressure readings and system status. Whether you're inflating tires or jumping a dead battery, the device responds exactly as expected from premium emergency equipment. The refined construction reaches its peak here with NOCO's premium materials and proven engineering excellence. Build quality is absolutely dependable, with attention to detail that shows in every aspect of the device's performance. The comprehensive features include LED flashlight, USB charging ports, and rugged construction that handles roadside emergency conditions. The complete design includes everything a prepared driver needs, while the versatile performance makes it suitable for any emergency challenge. The device works equally well for planned maintenance and unexpected roadside emergencies across diverse vehicle types and emergency scenarios. Who's it for? It's the ideal choice for prepared drivers who want the best possible emergency equipment with dual inflation and jump-starting capability, comprehensive features, and the most refined emergency technology available. Bottom line, the NOCO Boost Air AX65 is the total package, with outstanding dual functionality, exceptional reliability, and comprehensive features packed into the most refined design available. It's the ultimate emergency inflator for anyone who refuses to settle for single-purpose tools and wants complete roadside preparedness. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.